get your base ready, mark the center point of your base, measure 3 cm of compass and draw a circle that will be of 6 cm diameter. As I have promised you, I will tell you how to divide the circle using this stencil. But before that, take your ruler and draw a line passing through the center point of the circle. Take your stencil back and keep the middle point of the stencil in the center point of the circle, and those two lines should match the line which we have drawn. Leave 150 and mark at 140. Once you are done, do mark the same points down also. And now join the points. The lines should go through the middle point of the circle. You can obviously extend the linings because your mandala is going to be bigger, but I haven't. Now instead of explaining each step, I think it's more convenient that if you guys just follow the process. Just draw a semicircle. Now leave one section and then again follow the process. Do it until you are done with all of them. And after completing, it forms a fan-like structure. Do the same from the opposite side. Again here, leave one section and follow the process. Now I have done with all of them. I am erasing the extra guidelines because my basic shape is ready now. I am using my CD and DVD marker and I am just outlining the petals to make myself more comfortable. Now I am done with them. Now I will be drawing a circle which will be touching the tip of the petals. Highlighting the bigger circle also. Sorry guys, this is done by mistake. You don't need to draw anything between the circles. You just need to highlight the smaller petals which are upon the bigger circle. I think guys, I am more comfortable in freehand, so I am doing it like this only, but if you are not, you can obviously choose the compass option. Now it's time to fill them. Now I have drawn smaller petal inside the bigger ones and just I am filling them with lines. As I am doing this for beginners, I am trying to use as simple shapes as I can and trying to make it easier. Now it's time to fill the next one. For this, just make a slightly curved shape and then just do it. It's time to decorate the petals. I am just making a between line in the petals and giving it a leaf-like structure. You can obviously give your desired shapes. They don't have to be leaves. Fitting the CD and DVD marker in the compass and now making the bigger petals. I'm again drawing the bigger petals. I hope you guys can understand how am I doing that. Just using the smaller petal as a guideline. So my petals of bigger size are also done. I am drawing again a circle that are again touching the peak of the bigger petals. Now it's time to fill them. Just draw 3 semicircles like this and fill the smaller ones. This is very elegant design. I have already done a video on the basic shapes for mandalas. I will be giving the link of that video in the description box as well as in the I button, so you can just go and check there. So I was feeling the gaps were empty, so I have just drawn some dots there, and also after drawing a circle I have made a border design, and again I am drawing a circle. And now filling the gaps. And yeah, our beautiful, simple and yet elegant mandala is ready. If you love this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to share it with your family and friends, those who are trying to do the mandala for the first time. And yes, please subscribe to my channel because it is completely free. There are no any kind of fees for that. And yeah, after that I will meet you in my next video. Stay home, stay safe.